What I'm showing you here is what is my reference board, showing all the images that are involved in the Sons of Thunder retrospective. What you see here is the first drawing of the rifles. This print size is A2. The original drawing is actual size, so the original artwork is almost 5 feet across. These little pieces of text actually tell a story. On this particular drawing, it's about the original British Expeditionary Force being able to use this rifle with great skill, which later did pertain to the Australians. And the Australians had a different pattern of bayonet to this, but it's more or less the same thing. This should look like a rifle and its bayonet and ammunition in a display cabinet where the background gives us technical information and a lot of detail about how this rifle works and is used, even in colour, to show how it's to be sighted correctly. You know, cap badges, maker's marks, all the detail is in here. Because of the fantastic inkjet printing, a lot of the most of the detail holds up very well at this size of print, but it would be advised for a client to have it printed larger. This is the second version of the same rifle as in number 1, only much more developed into an advanced sniper's rifle at this time. The title is, in fact, unquestionably an experimental sniper's rifle. And this is why I feel that it will appeal very strongly to Australia and the New Zealanders, because that's what Anzac means, is that in the development of this, the British went to fight alongside the Australians in Gallipoli, and so a lot of the history is involved in this rifle is written down here and here. There are many variations on this, but this is an approximation of what happened. And you can also see that, as in the other drawing, is that I've called out many individual representations of the details, showing various features and qualities of how this worked. You'll have to take a look at things and come up with some questions, and I'll give you the answers. But there is an awful lot of detail in here, and precise mechanisms that many people would like to see and possibly know what they do. Some of this detail I've put in, are, I find quite interesting, even amusing and very boy's own. But as can be seen, the impressive nature of the difference between the wood and the steel, the reflections in the bolt, they're even good at this very high magnification, made possible by the inkjet printer and the original artwork.